10,000 plus Bagurumba wings, mega show in front of PM Narendra Modi. Why is this event historic in the history of Assam? On 17 January 2026, Mega Bagurumba wings will be introduced in front of Prime Minister Narendra Modi present at Surusojai Guwahati Stadium. Its target winning World Guinness record in the history of Assam government. The event 10,000 plus wings, one culture Bagurumba create history. Is historic because it celebrates the rich cultural heritage of Bodo community in Assam, India. Bagurumba dance, a traditional folk dance of Bodo tribes, has been performed by thousands of dancers, significance for several reasons. Cultural significance, Bagurumba dance is deeply rooted in the traditional of Bodo community, symbolizing unity, harmony and celebration of the Nesard bounty. Mass participation, the event show participation from 10,000 plus dancers, making it a grand spectacle that highlights the community's rich cultural heritage. Community building, the event brings people together, fostering a sense of community and cultural identity among the Bodo people. The Bagurumba dance itself is a vibrant expression of the Bodo community's connection to the nature and agriculture, and its performance on a large scale makes it a historic event that showcases the community's rich cultural tradition. Unity and harmony. The dance symbolizes unity and harmony within the community, bringing the people together to celebrate their heritage. Large-scale participation. The event massive participation makes it a historic moment for the Bodo community, demonstrating their commitment to preserving their cultural tradition. Promotion of indigenous culture. Promotion of indigenous culture. The events promotes the indigenous culture of the Bodo tribe, highlighting the importance of preserving traditional art form and cultural practices. The Bagurumba dance itself has rich history, originating from a folk tales and being performed during significant festivals like Bihu and Baisagu. Its preservation and promotion are crucial for participation, make it a historic moment for the Bodo community, demonstrating their commitment to preserving their cultural traditions. Why is Hagrama Mohilari is celebrated for several seasons? Leadership in Bodoland. He served as the chief of BTC, Bodoland Territorial Council, and has played a crucial role in the development of the Bodoland region in Assam, India. Advocacy for Bodo language and culture. Hagrama Mohilari was instrumental in getting the Bodo language recognized in the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, which highlight his commitment to preserving the Bodo identity. Promotion, education and development. He has emphasized quality education in the BTC region and has worked toward the growth of the agriculture and industrial sector. Hagrama Mohilari is a prominent Indian politician contributing significantly to the Bodoland region. Here are some of his key contributions. Establishment of Bodoland Territorial Council BTC. Mohilari play a crucial role in the formation of BTC, a self-governing body under the 6th schedule of Indian Constitution, through the signing of Memorandum of Settlement in 10 February 2003. Promotion of quality education. As a chief of BTC, Bodoland Territorial Council, Hagrama Mohilari advocated for quality education in BTC area and supported the development of Bodoland University, which was granted 12B status in 2019. Agricultural development, he initiated programs for this growth of the agriculture sector, including sending officer to the Indian Institute of Horticulture Research IIHR in Bangalore for modern training. Industrial development, Hagrama Moilari was instrumental in getting Bodo language recognized in the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, preserving the linguistic identity of the Bodo community. Peace Accord, he played a significant role in signing Third Bodo Accord in 27 January 2020, a crucial step toward a lasting peace in the region. Leadership in BPF party, as a president of Bodoland People's Front, BPF, Moilari has been instrumental in shaping the party vision and party's vision and policies, winning the multiple elections and serving as a chief executive member of BTC 2005 to 2020 and now to 2025 to 2030. He is pioneer leader of Bodo community.